I think it's worth providing a little bit of explanation as to why this horizontal shift doesn't go in the direction that you might initially think. Specifically, why in this example where I have f of x plus 2, why is g of x a left shift of f of x by 2? Why isn't it a right shift? In order to answer this question, let's start out by taking f and inputting any x value that you'd like. So let's say 5. Now f of 5, that's going to be an output, or if you like, that's going to be a y value. And that y value is going to be on the graph of f. Now let's ask ourselves, what x value would I have to put into the function g so that I get the same output, I get the same y value? Well, g is f of x plus 2. So if you're going to do g of some x value, then you would have to do f of whatever that x value is, and you're going to have to add 2 to it. So what that means is, if you want these to match, if you want f of 5 to be the same as g of something, that question mark should be 3. Because we're taking that 3 and we're adding 2, and that will give me f of 5. So in order for the y value to match f of 5, you need to plug in an x value which is 2 less. And that's the idea of why these x values are moving to the left. You need to plug in something that is less, specifically 2 less. So for example, if you wanted the same y value as f of 1, well, what x value would you have to plug in? Whatever x value you plug in, you're going to do f of that x value plus 2. So you need this question mark here to be -1. Because when you plug in -1, you get f of -1 plus 2 is 1. So the x value that you plug into g has to be 2 less than the one that you plug into f in order for the y values to match. And that's the main idea about why this is a left shift for f of x plus 2.